Assalamu alaikum all students. I am Razia from BHSS KUPWARA. My trade is ITes, and today our topic is writing skills. As in previous some lectures we studied skills, and these are employability skills, and in employability skills we studied communication skills and what are the barriers, etc., etc. And now we are going to study to learn writing skills. When we talk or write in English, we use sentences to express ourselves. That is, we use sentences to express our feelings, our emotions, and if we use English language, then we have to talk or we have to write in English only, and we have to write in sentences. And sentences are very much important because if sentences are not clear, then the meaning of the sentence will not be understood, and that is the semantic of the sentence will be waste. So sentence is nothing but it's a group of words which is communicated in such a way that it gives a complete thought. So a group of words which does not make complete sense, we can say it's a phrase. For example, if I say Raju goes, so it's a phrase. Raju goes, it's a phrase. So we can say it doesn't give us the complete meaning of the sentence. So it's a phrase, so it doesn't give the complete sense. So we can say, for example, Raju goes to school. That means it gives a complete meaning, complete information that Raju went to school. Okay. Now a sentence, we can say a sentence always begin with a capital letter. You all know because you have studied from the very first class. That is, a sentence always start with a capital letter, and it always ends with either a question mark or a full stop, or we can say an exclamation mark. It depends upon the type of the sentence. Okay. For example, we can say did you work on your project, and there is a question mark at the end of the sentence. So did you work on your project? Okay, then we can say another sentence, that is, I completed the work yesterday. That is, I gave the information regarding my previous work. That is, I did it yesterday. So it's a simple sentence, it's a simple affirmative sentence. So we can say there will be a period at the end of the sentence, or we can say a full stop at the end of the sentence. And then we can go for another example, that is, oh my god, that is, we are using exclamation mark at the end of the sentence because it's a sentence of shock, or it's a sentence of surprise. So it will end with an exclamation mark. Okay, now we'll see how we will capitalize our letters, and what are the rules and regulations to capitalize our sentences. For example, we know that all sentences begin with capital letters, I told you. So so we can say there are other letters as well in the sentences, and there are some rules which words in the sentence to be capitalized, and which need not to be capitalized. So it's very easy to know what to capitalize, and because there is a rule that is called as mint rule. Mints, MINTS, mints. So it's a simple rule which will help you to capitalize words correctly. So the rule says that these are 5 words, MINTS, and we have to capitalize our sentences in order or in accordance to this rule. M means months. I means word I, and N means names, T means titles, S means starting letter of the sentence. So M means months. So it says capitalize the first letter in all names of months. That is all months, because we have January, February, March, April up to December. So in all the months we have to capitalize the first letter. Okay. Then we have I. I means capitalize the letter I when it is used as a word. In a sentence, when we use the word I, then we have to capitalize it. It is not used in, it should not be used in small letter. So N is for names. Names means capitalize the first letter in names. It may be some person's name, some place name, okay, or some day's name. So we can say we have to capitalize the names of persons, places, or we can say some days, etc. And then T means titles. Titles means capitalize the first letter in the titles used before people's name. When we use people's name, so we have to capitalize in titles, we have to capitalize the title used before people's name. And then we have S. S means starting letter of sentence. So capitalize the first letter in every sentence. So I can go for each one. We'll explain it through some examples in each. M means we have to capitalize months. So I'll say, for example, I'll go to college in June. So in June, J will be capital. Okay, J will be written capital. And then we have I. I means we have an example, that's every day I play tennis with him. So this I should be capitalized. Okay, every day, then there should be comma, and then I should be capital. I play tennis with him. Then we have names, and we have to capitalize the names of persons, or we can say places or days, etc. So I'll use the for example, there is an example, that is this Tuesday Vidya will be in Rajasthan. So this Tuesday T will be this Tuesday, because Tuesday is a day, so T will be capital. And then we have Vidya. Vidya is a person, so V will be capital. And Rajasthan is a place, so R will be capital. Okay. Then we have titles. Titles, I said that we have to capitalize the titles used before people's name. So we can say, for example, Dr. Shah and Dr. Patel work together. So this D should be capital. And this M, that is Mr. Patel, M must be capital. That is Dr. Shah. In Dr. Shah, D will be capital, and in Mr. Patel, M will be capital. Okay. Then we have starting S. S means we have to capitalize the starting letter of a sentence. So for example, I say the cat ran out of the house. So in T will be capital, because the sentence starts with they. So then that means T will be capital in there. Okay, it's all about writing skills, how we write sentences, and we have to write the sentence in a meaningful way, so that it will give us a full information. And then there are some rules how we should capitalize the things. Okay. Okay, take care. It's all about today. Okay, take care. Bye bye.